I'm Chef Rebecca, Culinary Supervisor for Minneapolis Public Schools Culinary and Wellness Services. I want to welcome you back to my kitchen and another week of unboxing and menu preview. I have to say, this is probably the best box we've put together. I'm so excited to share this with you, and I know the kids are going to absolutely love it. So let's get started. For breakfast, we have bagels and cream cheese, mini waffles, and mini pancakes. For lunch, we've got sandwiches made in our nutrition center, pizza in a bag, pasta pouches, rotini with meat sauce, as well as macaroni and cheese, and tamales served with a cheese stick. Now each box will also contain milk and fresh fruit and vegetables. This week I received baby carrots, grapes, and oranges. Now remember, some of the items in your box may vary from what I have in my box, but you will always have the components to make 7 breakfast and 7 lunch. Like I said, I think this is one of our best boxes to date, and I hope you all enjoy. Have a great week, and we hope to see you out picking up a box. Thank you.